Well, hello there, and welcome back to my channel. This is Wakey Two Wheels, and you join me on a stunner of a day. If you can look around, blue skies and white clouds. You know what that means, don't you? That means you and me are going on a little adventure. Now, this is a different kind of video. This is not me going to a cafe. Well, it is actually me going to a cafe, but it's not me going to a cafe to show you around the cafe. This is a motor camping video, I hope, if everything works out alright. Now I am taking you guys down to Squires, and we're going to spend the night there. Now I know what you're thinking. Why am I setting off from Wakefield, going 10 miles down the road and camping at Squires when it's such a short distance away? Well, the reason is, this is just a test. I have bought a load of new camping gear. It's only cheap camping gear, but it's camping gear. And instead of taking it all the way up to the Highlands of Scotland or something like that, or Cumbria, and finding out that there's a hole in the floor or there's parts missing, I would rather take it somewhere close first and do a little test camp, and make sure the gear's alright for me to start doing this. Now, the camping videos is something I kind of want to start doing for you. I really want to start doing that. I love camping and I love biking, and if I can put the two together, then fantastic. So, as usual, if I take care of all the riding and the camping, and you take care of all the watching and the liking and subscribing, we'll see where we end up. How's about that? So, without further ado, we'll play some music and roll the epic montage. See you a bit further down the road. What a gorgeous day. I think if you're going to go camping on a motorbike, this is the day to do it. This is definitely the day to do it. So yeah, camping videos is something I've wanted to start for a while, but I've used this first riding season just to get the channel going, get some videos out there, and hopefully doing a good job of it. But yeah, this is something I want to kind of branch into. Because, I mean, as much as I love going to biker cafes, there's only so many of them out there, so that means there's only so many videos I can make. If I make a video about them all, then all of a sudden I'm Wakey Two Wheels. So yeah, moto camping. Tell me what you think. A couple of cowies here. Yeah, hopefully this will be a good video for you. Do you know, it's the first time I've ridden with this bag on my chest. Not on my chest, but on the tank. And it's actually surprisingly comfy to have something to rest your chest on. Never noticed that before. Never had it before. Showing you how the bike's packed up. All the bags on there. Somehow managed to get the tent and everything packed up in there. And we're setting off. Oh, bloody hell. Well, just thought I'd stop and show you how the bike's loaded out. I've got some footage from last night packing up my gear. And yeah, I managed to get my tent, my sleeping bag and everything in the side panniers. Got the essentials in my top box, and by essentials I mean tins of beer. You don't camp out without tins of beer. I'm hoping you can hear me alright. God, it's windy today. Now on this trip I won't have brought every single thing I need with me. Like I say, this is just to try the tent out because the tent's brand new, sleeping bag's brand new, and my air mattress, which is fantastic. I'll have to show you that on the video. It inflates itself. Now this may be a commonplace thing for campers out there, but this is new to me. An airbed that inflates itself. What? Alright, so we're coming up on Squires now. At least it doesn't smell like the backside of a cow today. Oh, there's a lot of people here today. Hello, steady man. Right, Go see about camping then. I'm about to show you this wondrous piece of kit, and it's the Outwell Dreamcatcher, and the damn thing inflates itself. It's actually already inflated. How does it do that? But what you do is you wait until it inflates itself, and then a few breaths in there, and then that valve pulls shut. And that is fully inflated. And now it's just getting it back in the tent. You see that? An amazing piece of kit. This is the Microlite 500. Now these have been around for a while, but they're rugged and very lightweight. You can hear in the background as well, there's a Polish rock concert on tonight. I might have to go to that. This is just a normal ground sheet, waterproof ground sheet. Cheap thing, but keeps your feet dry. You can tell how new all my stuff's still got labels on it. Well, this is the campsite. That's my tent and bike there. That's Speedway shop. All the caravans. There's a couple of bikers over there. And a few families about. Well, I have just had a fantastic shower. I feel a lot cooler now. God, I'm looking great. Look at that. If you can hear music in the background, it's because we've got that Polish rock festival, which I'll be seeing later. It's picked an absolutely gorgeous day for it, and yeah, I'll let you know how the night goes. Rock festival was awesome. Put the bike to bed, and I'm going to crack up another beer. And I shall see you all in the morning. Good night. up before the spider farted this morning. I didn't sleep long, but I slept well. They don't open for breakfast until 8 o'clock. So I've got a couple of things I can munch on for now and then go get a breakfast at 8. And then we pack up and get home. Morning everyone. Look at that for drama. So that's us all packed up. I had an absolutely stunning breakfast. And now it's time to hit the road. Oh. There we go. There you go, this is what Squires looks like when there's nobody here in the morning. And off we go. Just shut my lid. Well, it's a stunning morning. So yeah, I think that was a successful little night out. The tent worked well, the sleeping bag was warm enough, the sleeping mat was a fantastic idea because that was really comfortable. And I love the fact that it inflates itself. The campsite itself, gorgeous. Everything you need. The toilet and shower blocks are nice, lovely and clean. Breakfast to serve in the morning, spot on. So the only bad thing about the night, spending the night there, is it's right next to a train track. That's the only bad thing, and even then it didn't really bother me. But yeah, lovely night out that. So yeah, this is Wakey Two Wheels on his way home, signing out for the day. Thank you so much for coming with me, and thank you for supporting my channel. If you'd like to drop a like and subscribe, I will be much appreciative, because it keeps me going. The comments I'm getting from you guys are absolutely brilliant. I'm even getting comments from other YouTubers now, and I've been watching some of their stuff. Their stuff's brilliant. Smiles per gallon, check him out. And Lady J Rider, she's a good one. Shout out to you both. Yeah, so I'll let you all get on with your days. Everybody ride safe, and I'll see you all out there. Bye for now.